I teach the properties of amplitude or argument of a complex number. Okay, na? Properties of amplitude or argument of a complex number. If z comma z1 comma z2 are three complex numbers, then first one, amplitude of z bar equal to minus amplitude of z. Amplitude of z bar equal to minus amplitude of z. Second one, amplitude of z1 into z2 equal to amplitude of z1 plus amplitude of z2. Suppose amplitude of z1, z2, z3, then amplitude of z1 plus amplitude of z2 plus amplitude of z3. Third one, amplitude of z1 by z2 equal to amplitude of z1 minus amplitude of z2. Okay na? Okay na? We have only three properties. First one is amplitude of z bar equal to minus amplitude of z. Second one is mod amplitude of z1, z2 equal to amplitude of z1 plus amplitude of z2. Amplitude of z1 by z2 equal to amplitude of z1 minus amplitude of z2. Okay na? Now we will go to next concept. Okay. Next, note. First point, what is the value of tan pi by 6? Tan pi by 6. Tan pi by 6, that is 30 degrees, tan 30 degrees, that is 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3. If and only if tan inverse 1 by root 3 equal to pi by 6. Okay na? Tan pi by 6 equal to 1 by root 3. If and only if tan inverse 1 by root 3 equal to pi by 6. ఇవి నెక్స్ట్ మనకి యాంప్లిట్యూడ్ మాడ్యులస్ యాంప్లిట్యూడ్ ఫామ్ లో రాయాల్సి వస్తుందండి, అందుకని చెప్తున్నాం. సెకండ్ వన్, ది వాల్యూ ఆఫ్ tan pi by 4. What is the value of tan pi by 4? Pi by 4 is 45 degrees. Tan 45 degrees is 1. If and only if tan inverse 1 equal to pi by 4. Tan inverse 1 equal to pi by 4. Next, tan pi by 3. Tan 60 is root 3. Okay na? Tan pi by 3 equal to root 3. If and only if tan inverse root 3 equal to pi by 3. Tan inverse root 3 equal to pi by 3. Okay na? Write down. Next concept is very important. That is a modulus amplitude form of a complex number. Modulus amplitude form. Okay now. Next concept. Next concept. Modulus amplitude form of a complex number. Okay na? Modulus. This is combination of modulus. What is the modulus? If z equal to a plus ib is a complex number, what is the modulus of z? That is mod z equal to root of a square plus b square. It is also denoted by r. R equal to mod z equal to root of a square plus b square. Okay na? This is the modulus of a complex number. What is the amplitude of a complex number? Theta is amplitude of a complex number. What about theta? Theta is tan inverse b by a. Theta is tan inverse b by a. This is amplitude. This is modulus. Okay na? The combination of modulus amplitude form. Now the modulus amplitude form of a complex number z equal to a plus ib is r into cos theta plus I sin theta. The modulus amplitude form of a complex number z equal to a plus ib is r into cos theta plus I sin theta, where r is root of a square plus b square and theta is tan inverse b by a. And also minus pi is less than theta less than or equal to pi. This is the interval of theta. Okay? Write down. If z equal to a plus ib is a complex number, then root of r into cos theta plus I sin theta. This cos theta, r into cos theta plus I sin theta is called modulus amplitude form of a complex number z. Of a complex number. Okay, no? Of a complex number z. That is, the modulus amplitude form of a complex number E of a plus ib is r into cos theta plus I sin theta, where r is the modulus and theta is the amplitude. Okay now? That is, a plus ib can be written as, in modulus amplitude form, r into cos theta plus I sin theta. The modulus amplitude form of a plus ib is r into cos theta plus I sin theta, where r equal to root of a square plus b square and theta is the amplitude. That means theta equal to tan inverse b by a, where and theta minus pi less than theta less than or equal to pi. Okay, na? Write down. This is the modulus amplitude form of a complex number. Now theta is changed in various quadrants. In first quadrant theta equal to tan inverse b by a. In second quadrant theta equal to pi minus tan inverse b by a. In third quadrant theta equal to minus pi plus tan inverse b by a. In fourth quadrant theta equal to minus tan inverse b by a. Okay, na? Already we discussed the concept of amplitude. Okay. Next we will go to problems. Next, exercise 1C. Okay. First Roman law. First, express the following complex numbers in modulus amplitude form. Very, very important problems. Express the following complex numbers in mod amplitude form. Modulus amplitude form, that means mod amplitude form. Okay. First one is 1 minus I. 1 minus I. దీనికి ఆల్రెడీ మనం amplitude form రాసామండి. ఓకేనా? Now we will write modulus and amplitude form. What is the modulus amplitude form? R into cos theta plus I sin theta, where R equal to root of a square plus b square and theta equal to tan inverse b by a. That is depending on the quadrant. Okay. Solution. Let z equal to 1 minus I. It is of the form a plus ib. Here a is real part, b is imaginary part. Okay, na? Taking the values of a and b without signs. Write down. R equal to root of a square plus b square. R means mod z. R equal to root of a square plus b square. That is root of, here a is real part 1 square 1. Here b square minus b whole square, or taking only the coefficient of I without signs, that is 1 square. That is root 2. Okay. Now it is 1 minus I can be written as in ordered pair 1 comma minus 1. Okay. 1 comma minus 1. Now 1 comma minus 1 lies in which quadrant? 1 comma minus 1 lies in which quadrant? That is in fourth quadrant. Plus minus Go to fourth quadrant. Belongs to Q4. In Q4, theta equal to minus tan inverse B by A. In Q4, theta equal to minus tan inverse B by A. So this equal to minus tan inverse B by A. Here taking the values A and B without signs. Here B is 1, A is also 1. Tan inverse 1. Tan inverse 1 is pi by 4. That is a minus pi by 4. Okay, now this is the amplitude of a complex number. Theta is minus pi by 4. Once again, how to calculate theta? Here 1 minus I also can be written as in ordered fair form 1 comma minus 1. 1 comma minus 1 lies in fourth quadrant. Plus minus lies in fourth quadrant. So in fourth quadrant, theta taken as minus tan inverse B by A. Minus tan inverse B by A. Now taking the values of A and B without signs. Here A is 1, B is 1 only. So tan inverse 1. What is the value of tan inverse 1? Pi by 4. So minus pi by 4. Here theta is minus pi by 4 and R is root 2. Okay. Now these two values substitute in modulus amplitude form. What is the modulus amplitude form? R into cos theta plus I sin theta. Okay. Write down. Next. That is, therefore, 1 minus I equal to the modulus amplitude form. Okay, ఇక్కడ రాస్తున్నానండి. The modulus amplitude form. Mod amplitude form is 1 minus I equal to R into cos theta plus I sin theta. Okay, now substitute the values of R and theta. Okay. So that equal to, what is the value of R? Root 2 into cos of minus pi by 4 cos of minus pi by 4 plus I sin of minus pi by 4. This is the modulus amplitude form of a complex number. Okay, write down. Next problem. అంటే ఇక్కడ మెయిన్ కాన్సెప్ట్ ఏంటంటే ఆర్ వాల్యూ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయాలి. హౌ టు ఫైండ్ ది వాల్యూ ఆఫ్ ఆర్? రూట్ ఆఫ్ ఏ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ బి స్క్వేర్. నెక్స్ట్ అండ్ దెన్ we will go to theta. What is the value of theta? Theta is tan inverse b by a. That is depending on the quadrants. Okay, here theta lies in fourth quadrant. Then we take theta as the minus tan inverse b by a. Okay, right. Next problem. One plus I root 3. దాంట్లో సెకండ్ ప్రాబ్లం అండి. 1 plus I root 3. 1 plus I root 3. Solution. Let z equal to 1 plus I root 3. It is in ordered pair form. What is the ordered pair form? 1 comma root 3. It is the ordered pair form. Here A is 1, B is root 3. Now we will find the value of R. What is the value of R? Mod Z. R equal to mod Z equal to root of A square plus B square. Root of, here A square is 1 square plus root 3 whole square. 1 square plus root 3 whole square is 3. 1 plus 3, 4. Root 4 is 2. So the value of R is 2. Now the point 1 comma root 3 plus lies in first quadrant. So 1 comma root 3 belongs to first quadrant, Q1, first quadrant. Okay, now we can take the value of theta is tan inverse B by A. Then amplitude theta equal to tan inverse B by A. Now substitute the values of A and B. Tan inverse B by A. Here B is root 3 by A is 1. Here A is 1, B is root 3. Tan inverse root 3 by 1. Tan inverse root 3. What is the value of tan inverse root 3? Pi by 3. Tan 60 is pi by 3. Tan 60 is root 3. Tan 60 root 3 and tan inverse root 3 is 60 degrees. In radians, pi by 3. ఇవన్నీ దీనికి ముందు నోట్లో చెప్పుకున్నామండి. వాల్యూస్ tan inverse root 3 అంటే pi by 3. Now the amplitude, modulus amplitude form of the mod amplitude form is 1 plus I root 3 equal to R into cos theta plus I sin theta. Now substitute the values of R and theta. What is the value of R? 2 into cos theta. Here theta is pi by 3. Cos pi by 3 plus I sin pi by 3. Okay. This is the modulus amplitude form. Okay. Is it clear? Write down. Next, third problem. Very important problems అండి. Modulus amplitude form కంపల్సరీగా మీకు పబ్లిక్ ఎగ్జామ్ లో వస్తున్నది ఒకటి. Third one is minus root 3 plus I. Minus root 3 plus I. Okay. Write down. Same ఇదే మోడల్లో ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ అండి. very important problems. అందుకని అన్ని ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ చెప్తున్నాను. Let z equal to minus root 3 plus I. What is the coefficient of I? 1. It is in ordered pair form is minus root 3 comma 1. This is the ordered pair form. Okay. Now we find R. How to find R? R equal to mod Z. Mod Z equal to root of A square plus B square. Here A is first coordinate, B is second coordinate. So A is A minus root 3 whole square. Minus root 3 whole square is 3. Plus B square. B, 1 square is 1. Root 4. Root 4 is 2. Next. Now we will find theta. First theta in which quadrant? Here theta is here. Minus root 3, the point minus root 3 comma 1 belongs to here minus plus. Minus plus lies in second quadrant. So this belongs to second quadrant Q2. Okay, na? In Q2, in second quadrant, theta is pi minus tan inverse b by a. Okay, na? Here in Q2, theta equal to pi minus tan inverse b by a. That equal to pi minus tan inverse. What is the values of a and b without signs? Here a is root 3, b is 1. Okay. Now here we don't consider the signs of a and b. Here b is 1, a is root 3. Okay, na? That equal to pi minus tan inverse 1 by root 3. Tan inverse 1 by root 3 is pi by 3. Pi by 6, that is tan 30. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. 30 means in radians pi by 6. So pi by 6. Here taking LCM 6, that is 5 pi by 6. Okay, now taking LCM, that is 6 pi minus pi, 5 pi by 6. The value of theta is 5 pi by 6. Now substitute the values of r and theta in modulus amplitude form. What is the modulus amplitude form? R into cos theta plus I sin theta. Write down. The modulus amplitude form is minus root 3 plus I equal to r into cos theta plus I sin theta. Now substitute the values of r and theta. Here what is the value of r? 2 into cos 5 pi by 6 plus I sin 5 pi by 6. Okay, na? This is the modulus amplitude form of the given complex number minus root 3 plus I. Write down. Next problem, that is the fourth problem. Fourth one, minus 1 minus I root 3. Minus 1 minus I root 3. Okay, na? Solution. Let z equal to minus 1 minus I root 3. The ordered pair form is minus 1 comma minus root 3. This is the ordered pair form. This is the a plus ib form. This is the ordered pair form. Okay. Now R equal to mod z. What is mod z? Root of a square plus b square. Now root of a square minus 1 whole square. Minus 1 whole square is 1 plus b square. Here b is minus root 3. Minus root 3 whole square. Minus root 3 whole square is 3. So that equal to 2. Root 4 and 2. Now the given complex number, that means 1 minus 1 comma minus root 3. Minus lies in which quadrant? That is in third quadrant. So minus 1 comma minus root 3 belongs to Q3. Okay na? In Q3, how to take in as theta? Minus pi plus tan inverse b by a. Minus pi plus tan inverse b by a. Okay na? Right on. In Q3, theta equal to minus pi plus tan inverse b by a. Okay na? That equal to minus pi plus tan inverse b by a. Here taken the values of a and b without signs. What is the value of b? Here root 3. What is the value of a? Here a value is 1. That equal to minus pi plus, here minus pi plus tan inverse root 3. Tan inverse root 3 is pi by 3. Pi by 3. Now taking LCM here. Here LCM is 3. Here minus 3 pi plus pi. Minus 3 pi plus pi is minus 2 pi. Minus 2 pi. So the value of theta is minus 2 pi by 3. Now substitute the values of r and theta in modulus amplitude form. That is r into cos theta plus I sin theta. Therefore, the mod amplitude form, is minus 1 minus I root 3 equal to r into cos theta plus I sin theta. Now substitute the values of r and theta. What is the value of r? Here r is 2 into cos of, here theta value is minus 2 pi by 3. Cos of minus 2 pi by 3 plus I sin of minus 2 pi by 3. Okay na? This is the modulus amplitude form of the complex number. Okay na?